Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing another integrated dash cam from FitcamX. This time for a Mercedes C-Class W204. The year model is 2012, and on the FitcamX website you have two models. As you can see, we have this plastic trim that needs to be removed, but before we do this, I am going to make a quick unboxing, and this is what you are going to get if you order this device. So in the box we have two separate boxes, smaller boxes. One is with the accessories, and here the guys from FitcamX included a nice removal tool, trim removal tool. This is very nice because you get to keep it and you get to use it in the future for other projects. And also you get a micro SD, two USB Type-C and USB Type-A reader, which is very handy if you want to download some videos, save them fast on your laptop, for instance, and not using the app. We have an instructions manual, very nice, multiple languages. We have the Wi-Fi connection. We have a QR code for downloading the app. We will do everything so you can see what you need to know with the installation. Another cool stuff is that the guys from FitcamX also included a device, or at least a tool, to help you film the installation if you want. We have this tool right here that can also be used as a phone stand in case of need. I'm not going to use it because I have an action cam and I'm using that action cam, and for that I have a special support. Nevertheless, this is very, very nice. And last but not least, we have the integrated dash cam itself, or the plastic cap, which looks like this. On the front we have the camera. On the right side we have the micro SD card slot with the micro SD card included. So we have a 64 gigs micro SD card. You can use up to 256 gigs micro SD card. The camera films in 4K, so you have to get a card that has faster speeds. We have this cable, which is the bypass for the cable that is located over here, and one cable here, and that's it. The installation should be very, very easy because we have some clips over here that will fit perfectly on the windscreen, and also two buttons at the bottom, one for turning on or off the camera and one for taking a quick snapshot in case of need. I really like that on the Mercedes models you have the same design when it comes to this plastic trim, and it's very, very easy to take it off. So I think you can do it even without the plastic removal tool. The most complicated part is to find suitable space for the cables for this bypass cable, but I think we are going to do it without any problems. And let me just show you. It turns out we have 4 different cables, and before you start removing each one, you should take a closer look, and it seems that we have the white one, that is important to us. So in this white cable we will connect the bypass cable from the camera. Okay, so the connection is complete. As you can see, the camera should have lights over here. These LEDs are indicating that the camera already started recording, if I'm not mistaken. We will see in a bit. So the hardest part is complete, fixing the plastic cap. Fortunately, the guys from Mercedes and the guys from FitcamX made the cables as simple as they could be, and this meant that the whole installation took around 15 minutes. Now the next step is to install the app, and we can use this QR code. The next step is to connect via the Wi-Fi connection directly to the camera, and using the app you can control the camera and other features. Yeah, next step is to start the car, and you have to connect to the car cam and all that name. Usually the password is 1 to 8. Yeah, the password is okay. After that you can change it in the app itself. Now you have to hit next. Yeah, we are connected, and yeah, we have to remove the, let's see, it has a protective film, and voila, the FitcamX cam is connected, and it's already recording. Let's check the date. Yeah, we have the date, the time, yeah, is the same as the one on the phone, and we have the camera files. All the recordings are stored here. Let's just take a snapshot. Yeah, we can take a snapshot. Over here we have the settings. We can play with the exposure. We can enable or disable the sound recording. Yeah, the video resolution, 4K, 2K. We have these two options. Driving collision sensing, we can let it off, least, medium, or most. Let's leave the medium. Parking monitor, also medium. Wi-Fi, firmware. Over here we can format the card or make a factory reset. Also, if we want to see what the camera is seeing, we can do that. And considering that we have a Wi-Fi connection, if the car is parked outside and the Wi-Fi signal reaches the inside of your car or apartment, well, you have the live view of this camera. I'm not sure for how long. Let's see if we have some camera files that are recorded after I remove the protected film. Yeah, so this is one of them. We can download it. Yeah, it has 12 megabytes. Yeah, so we have this file over here. We can save it to the smartphone. Another way of copying the files, if we have big files, is using the micro SD card directly into the SD card adapter. This way it will download much faster. And another setting, the loop recording can be set to 1 minute or 3 minutes. And if for some reason you have a video file that is important, you can move it to the locked folder. After the SD card memory is full, that locked video will not be deleted once the card is full and it starts to loop record. So in theory, the camera will delete old videos to make room for the new ones. But if you want to have a video that will not be deleted, yeah, you can move it to the locked. And also you have some parking videos over here. And yeah, right now let's see some footage. So that's it with the installation. This is the app, very simple to use, very predictive. Right now let's take the car for a ride, see all the videos and show you how the camera is recording. So this is the Mercedes C-Class dashboard camera from FitcamX. You can buy it using the link in the video description. You can buy only the front camera. You can add a back camera. The back camera will film in 2K. This one films in 4K. You also have other accessories available. This is the best buy if you want an integrated dash cam, if you want a traffic cam that will make your journey safer. Thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.